Today, we are diving into a partnership that could quietly reshape India's semiconductor future. Japan's semiconductor major ROHM has joined hands with Tata Electronics, and this is not just a headline. This partnership directly targets power semiconductors, manufacturing capability, and India's long term chip independence. So, what exactly is happening here? Why does it matter? And how big is this move for India's semiconductor growth? Let's break it down. Now, who are the two companies? ROHM is a Japanese semiconductor company known globally for power devices, especially silicon and silicon carbide components, which are used in automotive, industrial, and energy applications. So, what is this power devices or power semiconductor? Power semiconductors are one of a many types of semiconductor devices. They are just like memory chips, microprocessor, and sensing devices, but they have a very specific job. They control the flow of electricity. They act like smart electrical switches, deciding how much power should pass, when it should, and when it should stop, all while handling high voltage and high current safely. In simple terms, ROM designs chips that can handle high voltage, high current, and extreme reliable requirements, exactly what electrical vehicles and industrial systems need. Now, Tata Electronics. Tata Electronics was established in 2020 and it is a part of Tata Group Semiconductor Vision. The company is focused on assembly, testing, and packaging, also known as the back end of semiconductor manufacturing. Now, let us see importance of back end in semiconductor industry. In semiconductor manufacturing, work is divided into two main parts, front end and back end. The back end is a stage where finished chip is made usable in the real world. In a simple way to understand it, think of making a mobile phone. Here, front end refers designing and creating the chip on a silicon wafer, and back end refers cutting it, protecting it, testing it, and preparing it for use. This is very critical because even if a chip is designed perfectly, it still must be packaged, tested, and qualified to survive in a real world conditions like heat, vibration, and long term operating lifetime. Now, what is this partnership is all about? At its core, this partnership combined ROM, chip design, and device technology with Tata Electronics manufacturing and packaging capabilities in India. The goal is to create a manufacturing framework for power semiconductors in India, serving both Indian customers and the global market. This aligns perfectly with India's vision of design in India, manufacture in India, and supply to the world. So instead of importing finished chips, India moves up the value chain. Now, why this matter? The first concrete outcome of this partnership is already defined. Tata Electronics will assemble and test an automotive grade power semiconductor designed by ROM. Spatially, it is an N-channel 100 volt 300 ampere silicon MOSFET in a toll package. Here 100 volt and 300 ampere defines the chip can handle very high electrical loads, and it is designed for extremely reliable and safety for automotive. MOSFET is a key component for power control in EVs and industrial systems. And last, the toll package is a modern surface mount semiconductor package designed for high power density application. It allows power devices to handle very high current while occupying very little board space. This package is engineered to meet today's demand for smaller, thinner, and more efficient electronics. These chips can be widely used in electric vehicles, charging infrastructure, motor drivers, and power supplies. Mass production shipments are expected to begin as early as next year, which means this is not a distant plan, it's already a moving. This deal also has a strong geopolitical and supply chain implications. After a global chip shortages, companies are actively diversifying manufacturing location, and India is emerging as a trusted alternative manufacturing hub. By working together, Japan contributes deep semiconductor expertise and India contributes scale, talent, and policy support. Tata Electronics leadership has clearly stated that this partnership is about trust, resilience, and long term supply chain stability, not just a cost. Now, why this is a big deal for us? To put it simply, India is no longer just assembling the electronics. It is now becoming the part of core semiconductor manufacturing workflows. This partnership will create high skilled jobs, builds advanced manufacturing know how, and strengthens India's semiconductor ecosystem. It will eventually reduce its dependency on imports step by step. This is how a country becomes a global semiconductor hub. Like, share, and subscribe for more such news from semiconductor industry. Thanks for watching.